So the services that the Growth Hub's provided to us so far have been fantastic, supporting us in areas that we don't currently have expertise, and I think for a lot of SMEs that the support that's available should be utilised.
Developing the relationship with the Growth Hub has been really, really wonderful for us. It's enabled us to grow our network and to really think about our future and crystallise what our growth opportunities might be. And I would most certainly recommend the Growth Hub to anybody in our position going forward.
I connected Better Pathways with Widney Manufacturing because I could see that there was a real obvious synergy between the two companies. I went to see Jason at Widney and he showed me around the shop floor, and what struck me was how friendly everybody was there, how happy everybody was to see Jason, their director. It was clear that there were parts of the production process for certain products that could be outsourced, and that's exactly what Better Pathways do.
The reason that Widney wanted to work with Better Pathways obviously fulfills part of our corporate social responsibility. The two companies do have a lot of synergies. One thing that we struggle for back at base Widney is floor space, and particularly some of the smaller jobs that take up a lot of floor space.
So the advantages of the relationship are twofold really. One is that we get more work into Better Pathways so we can broaden the range of opportunities we give to our people, but crucially it enables us to grow our commercial income so that we can plough that back into our organisation to help more people going forward.